morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2020 at 9:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, as you can see, the stock market, all quarters of it, are down today. This is not because earnings have come out bad or the economic data has come out weak. That's not what it's about. It's about nervousness about this virus, the coronavirus that is spreading throughout the world now. A case was discovered in Saudi Arabia, Thailand. America's got, I understand there's 16 cases being monitored possibly in the United States, one for certain done. They've locked down now 4 cities in China, 634 cases there alone, and the number's low. So the question is, what does it mean? For the travel industry, for usage, you're backing up. You're getting down in price because people are nervous. Are they going to fly? I question with the lunar holiday going on in China. It's the largest migration, by the way, of people in the world. And with that migration, after these people move, how many have it and they don't even realize they're sick? Then they get caught. You just don't know. So you're seeing the bond market take off to the upside. You're seeing the notes. As fast as these markets come down from the fear, they go the other way once it's discovered, and if it's discovered that the situation is finally under control. Nobody seems to know. The World Health Organization today will let us know more about that. As you can see in the grain market, beans are still down. You're still playing in sideways action in the grains. The bid in the Japanese yen is a safe haven bid. It's not because their economy's suddenly doing better. Gold up today on the nervousness, but you can see the other metals getting hit. And what if you did something, and I'm not saying this will happen, but the situation, World Health Organization issues a world alert. The Chinese New Year, we go through it, people get more ill. You get to the cities, the factories, do they say, no, we don't want people in mass going anywhere? The Lunar New Year celebration is being called off in a number of cities in China already. So this is not science fiction stuff that could happen. It's already happening. But I'd also want to make it very clear, most people survive this. It's like a bad case of the flu from all that I'm reading. Of course, you know, people that their immune system's hurt, whatever. That's the ones at risk. As you're taking a look, the leading economic indicators came in a bit worse. I don't think they're so strong. Jobless data came in at 6,000. They expected a 10,000 increase. That's better, and your weekly claims fell. On its own, that would probably be a friendly number. As I said, China's expanded, I'll call it a shut-in on their cities. Now there's about 17 to 19 million people that have discovered very quickly that they're shut in and they're not going to be traveling anywhere. I think most people are probably staying home with those masks on, I would, and you're protecting yourself, waiting for this to get over. Energy markets, as I said, taking a beating, and the European Central Bank, I didn't even mention it in this morning's subscriber video because the market was looking for them to do nothing, and it's exactly what happened. If anything, what's really going on is Miss Lagarde is saying that she's going to wait. They're doing a survey. They're going to look at the U.S., which is also doing a survey to see where the markets are. In taking a look at stock indices, you should take a look at this break. What does it mean? Is it a top, or was this the buying opportunity off of this virus event? Hard to know. One of the things that we do is we'll be writing about it. I'm writing about it already, and I think I've been ahead of the game, as my subscribers know. I think we've done a good job of telling you about it before the news has even told you about it. I read so much that, and I read a lot of papers that are in English out of China and so on, so you get a feel for this. My updates and the firm's updates, they come out to you by email. They're also available inside of our charting software. The firm, Linn, we cover all these different markets, trying to give you ideas as to where they're at, what's going on. We try to keep you ahead of the situations. How do you see what our clients see? Well, it's really simple. Get a free trial. You can call my staff. They'll set you up immediately. Or you can go to our website. You'll see our listing of free offers. Sign up for them. We'll get everything out to you typically the next business day at the latest. I'm Ira Epstein. You can click up here, by the way, if you want to get to that free offer page. And I will see you all tomorrow. You have a good day.